what we got going on here. This was a whoopsie on a Razor 4-seater. What'd you say, Dad? On the back? Dan, what'd you do here on the bottom?
All right, here we did the high lift boxed in A-arms.
Okay.
And right now we're doing the front end lift kit.
You're doing a lift kit on it?
Yep.
How many inches does that take it up?
3 to 5.
3 to 5 inches on that bad boy so it doesn't tear out the bottom. Dad, is this hard to do?
Nothing no hard.
There's another one.
Nothing's.
Nothing no hard.
How strong are these?
Oh, this is. See the old one, like piece of shit. This very strong. Don't see outside the other one.
Where? What do you do? Roll it?
I change it. Everything. Come here.
Okay, hold on. You changed it? Hey man, we like your English. You did good.
My English not good.
4 years ago I was just Hebrew, baby. Now you understand everything. Some of the words aren't good you've learned, buddy. Let me see that old one that was on there. Or that? That was the garbage? Wow.
These are the old trailing links right here.
Okay.
And these are the new trailing links.
Way solid there. You're not going to tear off the bottom of that, are you? All about making the ride custom where you go and how you ride. If you try to take a vehicle that's meant for sand out in these desert rocks, guess what? You're gonna have nothing but problems and a big bill. Make sure you know where you're riding, how long, how fast, and how hard. I'll tell you what, these new arms are thick, thick, thick. That's awesome. Customer will be happy, 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 and there is no doubt.